Hi, this is DangerMan the Urban Superhero, and this is another DangerMan moment. My prayers go out to the folks in Florida. This Hurricane Milton ravaged the area. 3 million people without power. I pray that they get squared away pretty quickly and that no one was hurt. Really, just floods and water all over the place. Okay, well, we hope FEMA gets in gear and gets these people taken care of. This is America. We take care of our people. All right. This is DangerMan the Urban Superhero. This is another DangerMan moment. And my prayers go out to all the victims of the Milton floods and storms. Awful. Okay. Guys, take care. There it is. Milton. Man, it's incredible. Incredible damage. Yes. So I pray everybody gets taken care of and that no one was hurt or killed. We'll see what happens as the day progresses. It's still early. But let's pray for these folks. It's DangerMan. I'm the Urban Superhero. And this is another DangerMan moment. Wishing the best of those, to those in the flood path. Milton. Whew. All right, take care.